This is a 1-minute muscle palpation for the quadratus lumborum, the QL, on the right side of the body with our client side lying on her left side. The advantage to this position is we can effectively use body weight to sink down into the muscle. So I'm going to begin with reinforced thumb pads directly lateral to the lateral border of erector spinae. And all I need to do is just drop down toward the transverse processes. Anya, can you elevate your pelvis towards your shoulder? Hike your hip. Perfect. Relax. That's all you need to do. I can feel the QL pop there. Now I'm going to angle toward the 12th rib. Again, contract, Anya, and relax. I feel it pop there. Now I'm going to cross in front of the camera to angle toward the iliac crest attachment. Right about there. Elevate your pelvis and relax one more time. And there we go. Perfect. Right in there. Relax. So that has been our 1-minute muscle palpation for the quadratus lumborum on the right side of the body with our client side lying.